Today I'm going to talk a little bit about Taylor Morrison's new community, Young Farm. It has an Apex mailing address, but we're actually in Cary, North Carolina. This is a 190 home community with 7 different floor plans. 3 of those floor plans are 1.5 stories where you have primary living on the first floor. Young Farm is located 30 minutes west of Raleigh in sought-after West Cary. It's close to popular neighborhoods such as Amberley and Carpenter Village and Copperleaf. It's about 10 minutes to Jordan Lake, about 15 minutes up to Research Triangle Park, which is a very easy commute, and another 15 minutes to RDU International Airport. So it's a really convenient location for work, for travel, and you can get to many of the other local towns such as Apex, Chapel Hill, Durham, North Raleigh, Wake Forest from the major roads such as 540, 40, 54, 55. So it's a really great location. Interestingly enough, a portion of Young Farm is located in Wake County, and a portion of Young Farm is located in Chatham County. We'll talk a little bit more about this later in this video, but it does affect both price point of the homes, tax values, resale values, school districts. It's an interesting dynamic having 2 portions of the same community in different counties. Welcome back to At Home with Jody. I'm Jody Whitehurst, a licensed real estate broker in Apex, North Carolina, helping you with all of your home selling and buying needs in the entire Greater Raleigh area. If you need any assistance with purchasing a home in Young Farm or anywhere in the Greater Raleigh area, please don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is at the end of this video and in the description below. Today I'm going to be showing you the Newport model, and this is one of 3 1.5 story models that they have with primary living on the first floor. So this particular model has a guest bedroom and the primary bedroom on the first floor, with a flex space in between the guest bedroom and the kitchen and living area. If you're not buying an available home that's already built, if you are building from the ground up, you can convert this flex space into an additional bedroom on the first floor. It has a nice open chef's kitchen. An eating space, and you have the option to upgrade to a sunroom like they have in this model, or this could be a covered or a screened porch. Lots of options which you can find on their website, which I will link in the description below. And here is the primary bedroom. Walk-in shower, nice big and bright. When coming in from the garage, there's not much of a step. There's just one little, maybe 6-inch step to come in. And you've got your laundry room right off of the garage, and a small drop zone. While we're taking a look at the beautiful upstairs in this home, let's talk a little bit more about the community being split between Wake County and Chatham County. In general, Wake County is much more populated than Chatham County with more urban areas. That doesn't really matter in this case because whether you live in the Chatham County side or the Wake County side, you're literally in the same community and all amenities are going to be the same distance away. The main difference is that Wake County has one of the strongest public school districts in North Carolina, and especially in the West Cary area. People relocating to the Triangle with school-aged children often look to be in Wake County because that's where they've heard that the best schools are. But there are a couple of things that I'd like to mention. As realtors, we always advise not to pick a community based on what school you would like your child to attend. With so much population growth, our schools often fill to capacity or cap, and your child will be sent to an overflow school rather than the school you had hoped for. I'll put a link in the description below for the Wake County school site to see what the current base school is and if there's an overflow school based on a specific address. Secondly, you'll pay a premium to live in the Wake County side of the community because of this perception of Wake County being the premier place to live. You might pay $100,000 or more for the same exact house in Wake County versus Chatham County. And because property values are higher in Wake County, you may also end up paying more in property taxes. Lastly, as our population in the area grows, the schools in counties other than Wake are getting better and better. The beautiful new Seaforth High School in Chatham County is spoken incredibly highly of. Chatham County is growing rapidly, and schools and amenities will do nothing but improve. So in the end, it's your decision if it matters to you which side of this community you purchase a home in, but the Chatham County side is probably going to be much more affordable if budget is a factor. There are 7 different floor plans here, from 2 to 6 bedrooms, 2,380 square feet to 3,690 square feet. If you're building from the ground up, you have a lot more options where you can add on a sunroom, you can add on a 3rd car garage, as long as the lot that you select allows that. Even with some of the 2-floor models, you have the option to have your primary bedroom on the 1st floor. If you need a boots on the ground liaison between the Taylor Morrison team and yourself, especially if you're not located in the area, I would be happy to represent you. Feel free to reach out. My contact information is at the end of this video and in the description below.